Hello, Edward here from Obsidian Control Systems. Let's take a very quick look at Submasters in ONYX. So in ONYX, a Submaster is a special type of queue list where we just deal with intensity parameters. So a Submaster will not take any effect with color, position, anything like that. It's only going to be dealing with intensity, and it will treat intensity highest takes precedence. So let's take a look. So I'm going to record two Submasters, which actually include the same lights, and that will help us understand how highest takes precedence works. So I'm going to go and say 101 through full to turn on my my front light. Now notice there that I've got colour and position information active on stage, and that's because I've got a queue list running at the moment. So you've got a couple of options on what you might want to do, but a really handy shortcut to be aware of, if you hold snap and tap release, that is a really useful way of turning off and releasing all queue lists. So snap release, that will release all queue lists, and now we're back to having manual control. So with those fixtures at full, I'm going to tap record, tap an empty queue list, number 9 in my case here, an empty playback, and I'm going to choose to record Submaster. With these fixtures still selected, I'm going to set them to full again, and I'm going to record that to another playback and also record that as a Submaster as well. And as I said, Submasters will mix highest takes precedence. So if I set this fixture, this Submaster here to about 50%, this fader is going to have absolutely no effect below 50%. And that's because this fader is higher, and so it has priority. But as soon as I raise this Submaster above 50%, it then becomes the highest control over that fixture. And so it now has priority. And again, our previous Submaster is now not going to take any effect until we again raise that to the highest value. So you can see there that these faders will mix highest takes precedence. Just like any other type of queue list, if we go to the queue list values window, we can still select a Submaster and view the data within that Submaster. So we can still open a Submaster in the queue list window, and that's because a Submaster is still just a type of queue list. But the difference is its behavior only deals with intensity channels, and those intensity channels are mixed highest takes precedence, which is what we can see here.